was cold, but something about it felt like home somehow. And I left my scarf there at your sister's house, and you still got it in your drawer even now. Oh, your sweet disposition, my wide-eyed gaze, you're singing in the car, getting lost upstate. Autumn leaves falling down like pieces into place, and I can picture it after all these days. And I know it's long gone, and the magic's not here no more. And I might be okay, but I'm not fine at all. 'Cause here we are again on the little town street. You almost ran the red 'cause you were looking over me. Wind in my hair, you were there, you remember it all too well. Photo album on the counter, your cheeks were turning red. You used to be a little kid with glasses in a twin-sized bed. When your mother's telling stories about you on the t-ball team, you tell me about your past, thinking your future was me. And I know it's long gone, and there's nothing else I could do, but I forget about you long enough to forget why I needed to. 'Cause here we are again in the middle of the night. We're dancing around the kitchen and the refrigerator.